Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that all are fine and safe at home. Once again, welcome back to our another class of EVS. Subject is EVS, Class 2, Chapter 1, Our Earth. Yesterday I had sent you our Earth exercise, and today we are going to revise once again. Once I sent you video of first chapter Our Earth with different images. Today that video is different from today's video. You can see here different images with the explanation. Okay, now we are going to start our first chapter, Our Earth. This is the picture of solar system. You can see here Earth, stars, moon, this are. Okay, this is the picture of a solar system. Now, our Earth is made up of land and water. Last class we already learned our Earth is made up of land and water. We live on Earth and that is our home. That only our home, but also it is the home for plants and animals. Here already I explained to you more than half the earth is filled with the water. You can see here 70% is water and 30% is land. Okay, more than half the earth is filled with the water. Large part of earth is filled with the water. That is already I showed you 70%. Okay, large part of the earth is filled with the water. It is very important and all living things need water. Living things, what are the living things? Human beings, plants and animals. They need water to live. Okay, only living things need water to grow. Most of the water is salty in oceans and seas. Samudra ka pani namkeen hai na wo salty taste the oceans and seas ka. Okay, the water of ocean and sea its taste is salty. Okay, now fresh water present in rivers, lakes, streams and ponds. Okay, we can get fresh water from river, lake, stream and ponds, and ocean and sea the water is salty only. Lot of water is stored as snow and ice. Mountain covered with the snow and that is melt to flow down as rivers. And water is also present under the ground. You can find water under the ground. Okay. Next, we are going to learn types of land. Okay, we already learned there are different types of land. Now, what is a land? You can see here how many types are there. Here you can see types of land: plains, forests, deserts, hills, mountains and valleys. And in our class, we didn't learn about forest. We learned only plains, desert, hills, mountains, valleys. Okay, forest and desert we didn't learn. Okay, there are 6 types of land we learned: plain, hill, mountain, valley, plateau and island. We are learning here different from that. Okay, plains, forests, deserts, hills, mountains and valleys. Now I am going to explain each type of land. First one is plains. Okay, now flat land is called a plain, and also many rivers flows through the plains, and most of the people are living in the plains only. Vast areas of flat lands. So plain land you can see many houses. Flat, okay, that is a flat land. You can see many houses also there. Cities, villages are built in the plains. Cities, villages are built in the plains. Okay, you can see plains land, cities and villages are building their houses and also building. Different types of crops grow here. Okay, अलग अलग प्रकार की खेतियों का काम प्लेन लैंड पे करता है. ओके, किसान वहाँ पर प्लेन जमीन पर काम करता है. Here it is either hot or cold depending on season. और सीजन के हिसाब से हमारा इधर भी मौसम चेंज होता है, हॉट सीजन और कोल्ड सीजन. Okay, you can see here, this is the picture of a forest. Okay, first one we already learned about plain. Now second we are going to learn about forest. Forest means there you can see different types of trees and animals. Okay, large parts of land have different types of trees growing close to one another. You can see in the forest different types of trees, they are growing close to one another. Okay, large part of land have different types of trees growing close to one another. You can see here how the trees are growing in the forest. Large number of animals live in forest, and we already learned there are different types of trees and also animals. Large number of animals live in forest. Now next we are going to learn about desert, Registan. Okay, now part of earth which is very dry. Okay, or earth का one part is very dry. वो जगह को क्या कहते हैं? वो सूखा जगह है उधर, राजस्थान, रेगिस्तान. ओके, और रेगिस्तान मीन्स डेसर्ट. ओके, डेसर्ट रेगिस्तान. ओके, वहाँ पर ज़्यादा हॉट है उधर. ओके, गर्मी है उधर. और covered with the sand, or desert covered with the sand and very little rain and water. Or desert we cannot found water. Okay, there will be little rain and also water also. And you can travel by camel in the desert only. There is no vehicle to move. We can go by camel only. Very few people live here. Or desert, there will be only few people they are living there. Land near the sea is called coast. Means समुद्र के सामने वाला और आसपास एरिया को क्या कहते हैं? वो जमीन को क्या कहते हैं? कोस्ट, COST, कोस्ट. ओके, समुद्र का आसपास एरिया ऑफ लैंड, वो जमीन को, आसपास एरिया का जमीन को क्या कहते हैं? कोस्ट. ओके, नाउ land near the sea is called the coast. I already told you that. Now sandy beaches many people live. और sandy beach में बहुत सारे लोग रहता है उधर समुद्र का आसपास एरिया. We sweat a lot, area is warm, air is wet. Oh, वहाँ पर we sweat पसीना बहुत आता है उधर क्योंकि वहाँ पर बहुत गर्मी वार्म है. ओके, एयर इज वेट, हवा गीला है, इसके कारण हमको ज़्यादा पसीना आता है. We sweat a lot, area is warm, air is water. You can see here the mosam. Okay, you can see how the climate is. The climate is very hot. That is why we are wetty. Coconut trees grow very well. Hot season में coconut tree नारियल का पेड़ वहाँ पर बड़ा होता है उधर. Okay. Now polar regions that we didn't learn till now. Now you can see here what are polar regions. Land covered with lots of snow and ice. This is called polar regions. और ज़मीन में ज़्यादा बर्फ और आइस से covered है उधर. Land covered with lots of snow and ice. Very few plants grow. वो जहाँ पर पोलर रीजन और ज़मीन पर ज़्यादा पौधा बड़ा नहीं होता है उधर. ओके, only few plants will grow there. Polar bears and seals can survive here. और पोलर रीजन का वहाँ पर दोनों जानवर को आपको मिल जाएगा उधर. पोलर bears and seals. Houses made of ice slabs called igloos. There only houses made of ice slabs called igloos. People living in polar regions are called Eskimos. और polar region में जो लोग रहता है उनको क्या कहते हैं? Eskimos. You can see here. And next one is hills. Okay. Now place which is higher than the surrounding land is called hills. Place which is higher than the surrounding land is called plain. Rains very often. और hills में पहाड़ में बहुत पानी गिरता है उधर. They are cool and pleasant. और hills area में ज़्यादा ठंड भी लगता है, ज़्यादा पानी भी गिरता है, फिर वहाँ पर ज़्यादा ठंड भी लगता है उधर. Houses on the hills have sloping roofs to let the rainwater flow easily. और बारिश का पानी नीचे गिरने के लिए वो हाउस के ऊपर स्लोपिंग रूफ्स बनाता है, वो पानी गिरने के लिए. Houses on the hills have sloping roofs to let the rain water flow easily. You can see here how the houses are made. Now next one is mountains. They are much bigger than hills. Okay, और hills से भी ज़्यादा बड़ा है, ऊंचा जमीन है mountains. Mountains are rocky, full of forest and animals. Mountains are covered with full of forest, trees and animals. Full of forest and animals. Okay, you can see here the mountains are covered with the full of forest. Some high mountains are covered with the snow. और mountain का वहाँ पर बहुत सारा बर्फ से covered है. Snow melts, water starts flowing, rivers are formed. और वहाँ से बहुत सारा नदियाँ बहती है उधर. ओके, flowing rivers. ओके, snow melting. ओके. Now Himalayas are the highest mountain range on earth. Himalayas are the highest mountain range on earth. Mount Everest in the Himalayas is the tallest mountain in the world. Okay, now valleys. Now lowland that lies between mountains or hills. Oh, mountains or hills का lowland area को क्या कहते हैं? Valleys. Okay, you can see here good for farming. Farming के लिए अच्छा जमीन है उधर. और this shape V shape का है उधर. You can see here also. Okay, the valleys. Now this is the Gemini you can see here between two lowland area. Now I hope that you always understood this video. By seeing this video you can see many things. Okay, before I showed you different from this video. Watch this video and learn different things from this. Okay, now study well, read the lesson, learn the question answer and another exercise also. Okay, now study well, enjoy your day, have a nice day. Thank you.